All right. Grand Rising, everyone. Welcome back. It's Shay Seeking. I was just catching up on a couple of little videos here and just starting to notice some of these bitches that don't motherfucking like my ass, that get together and do low-key dirty motherfucking shit behind the scene for some nigga behind the motherfucking scenes. You know what I'm saying? That be doing dirty motherfucking shit because of these stupid bitches and these other something like a bitch ass niggas. And then I said, hold on. Because I was just thinking, people get on that, Libra this, Libra, well, law's motherfucking lie, nigga. And I see when I'm looking at Libra energy today, that we talking about people that's bullheaded, people that just bogart their way in the shit, even puss. Even I feel that these people might do this, again, the visions and dreams that I'm getting. This may even be talking about people trying to imprint on people or mount people or something in your dreams or in the astral, Now I feel like also these would be the dirty motherfuckers that want a job or a position and do anything to try to win at all costs, and may even be borrowing people's vehicles. They may even be they may even get they may even be manipulated. Now, this is what I'm seeing. This shit is right here is though biblical. Somebody saying, oh, don't worry about covering up or binding your feet or because this is holy, kind of like land. And I know what that means to a certain extent. And so I got to thinking, hold on. This is one of them issues where one of these heifers possibly then manipulated somebody into laying with them and saying that they have a holy vesture or pastures or land. Okay. To try to get maybe a baby. But just maybe they want somebody else to, put that baby in somebody else's carriage so that this person could look like this person that is celibate is maybe doing things that they're not doing. And so to work together, manipulating, mind controlling this masculine, feminine, whoever. I feel like this is some higher up motherfuckers. This is some giant type shit. Well, they ain't really giants. They're really small to me in my mind's eye, just because they can operate behind the scenes. These are, like I said, the powers that shouldn't be. These are those people that are, the ones that take crafty counsel behind the scenes, the Three of Pentacles. It's just the ones, they see you coming up in the tarot community. They see what you do, what I'm saying? And they kind of they see the level that you do it on, right? They can only relate to like gossip and shit like this. This is a main motherfucking Libra I'm talking about. And they see that you go fucking sky high, but they want the same masculine, or they want what the fuck is yours. And they willing to do whatever they got to do. This might even be damaging somebody's walls. This might even be damaging somebody's fucking walls. Either that or a motherfucker obsessed with you yourself. So they want to do whatever they can do to keep you in a position where they can access you. This is about teachers' pets. These are about pets. This is like you can't fucking stand somebody and somebody will allow you to be accessed. Possibly these are supposed to be people that are supposed to be protecting their children, these earthly parents that's supposed to be, getting some type of respect from the children. But what they do is cut the children off from the nest before it's their time. They take the fruit off when it's not even ready yet. Okay. And then they leave it in the care of motherfuckers that, should not be touching on no damn judges and shit. You see what I'm saying? Because now those motherfuckers is corrupt as hell. You see what I'm saying? I got a problem. I got a problem. Or do they? These is people that will do all this to a child, see the child still striving, and know that the child, it's not going to be the child. And it makes me think about, again, the originals. It's not the child when they thought that hope was going to destroy them all. It's not the fucking child. Whose hands was the child the fuck in? that made them go. See, because they feel like they can use their structure and these walls that they've had in these century-old, programs and cults and all these other things and all these fucking different societies and shit like that to protect them from doing this bullshit. And so Source sent a motherfucker like me down this bitch. Motherfucker got their own spin dial to turn the fucking or turn the lever to whatever fucking zodiac I want to motherfucking use. So I see it's talking about some element of air, okay? And this could be also dealing with airs, okay? And then we got scales, okay? And I told you, these are the ones they balance the scale for over your American ass. You see what I'm saying? These are the ones they bring in from other nations to balance the scales out for American so-called black people and Americans in general. And this, you wonder why you never get no fucking justice. They smile in your face all the time. They want to take your motherfucking place. But we going to pull these hoes right out of that motherfucking space. These hoes want to sit here and act snappy and this and that. And then they go and try to act soft and sweet, bitch. You cannot fucking compete. There's no fucking competition. Still talking about your gossip and shit, whatever the fuck they want to do. Okay, even Libra energy. Okay, so I'm thinking even with this whole thing of the scales of justice and this whole thing with Miss Jackson. And the fact that I told y'all because I can read between the lines because of the gift that I fucking have. And this is what they're afraid of. That when she said she put cameras in her children's fucking cabinets, she is talking about spying on American motherfucking adults too in their own fucking house. The people behind there know that. They just didn't know what the fuck to expect when they got to this point to realize who the fuck I am. And see, and that's what I feel like we getting mistaken here. Libra it is. Libra, Libra. And that's what I'm saying. Aquarius. Bitch, I'm all the shit on the motherfucking chart. So what I'm saying is none of these bitches compare. Okay? Like I said. You motherfuckers want to try to keep me in a certain position, try to keep on jailing me, mental prison, whatever the fuck you trying to do to keep me in some. I don't want to be tainted with no fucking mental illness and shit like that. Motherfucker, I'm just fine. It seemed like a whole bunch of you motherfuckers is sick. But it's all right. Shit gonna be changing. I think these people are really starting to show their scales. These are talking about old, when I'm looking at this energy, I can read the so-called tarot cards. I can read motherfucking energy. I read between the lines. I read, motherfucker. I'm the motherfucking word. And in the beginning was the word and the word was with motherfucking God. I'm just trying to figure out what that name is, that secret name that's written on the motherfucking thigh. So this is an instance where somebody will send somebody that you probably can't fucking stand in to try to stand the fuck over you when you understand what the fuck they doing and they stand the fuck under you because they can't motherfucking compare. But these is also, I feel like some instances, some of these people want to use you, and some of these people want to be used by you. Okay. And that's what I mean about that energy of, taking people underneath their wing or taking, excuse me. I feel like in some instances, this may be me even looking at somebody in a different light, but really not being able to. I just can't. But I feel like one of these people started off really fucking hating my guts. But then also, I don't like no low-key, sneaky shit being done behind the fucking scene. I don't give a fuck. That's obsessive almost then. You see what I'm saying? Come talk. Like, let me know what the fuck going on. Don't be trying to sneak the fuck your way around and shit like that. It's too much sneaky shit going on in my motherfucking life right now. So we got the ruling planet is Venus. And I feel like this is the energy here. So maybe there's some of these Libras that want to be ruled by Venus so bad. They come off abrupt and they come off some kind of way or whatever. But I feel like maybe they want to be ruled by Venus so bad that they'll do whatever it takes to get what the fuck they want. You know what I'm saying? Even if it might be some shit you should been not fucking doing. Like, what the fuck is going on here? And who is watching this shit? I thought a motherfucker was watching this shit close. Obviously the fuck not. And I don't know why this is making me think. It's not Money Pit. I mean, maybe I have to watch that movie again because maybe it's something in that fucking movie, okay? Again, this is just a universal fucking message. Because of